Okay, so we are gonna do a fun video. My son is gonna do my makeup. We just thought it'd be kind of fun, so I have all these like fun color makeup, and
we couldn't think of something to do, and I just said, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, quarantine's got us bored. So, want to see what he does for my makeup? Then just keep watching. So, all right, what are we gonna do first? Go ahead. You can. Oh, let's open these. Maybe show everyone like what kind of palettes we have.
Yeah.
Kind of dirty those colors.
And
then, yeah, why don't you show these? Really neutral. Just gonna, oh yeah, show some of the lip colors. Let's see what we can show them up there. So this is gonna be real exciting. All right, so go ahead. You can get your brushes ready. We're just having a little fun because we're bored. What's the craziest thing you guys have done this quarantine? Okay, so you're gonna start with lips? Okay. Good job.
how is it?
Smells good.
Yeah, it does smell good.
Smells like mint.
It smells like blueberry to me.
Blueberry? What color was this one?
I put two colors together. It's like I put beat down and bitter. People would think I look weird. I don't know. I'm very smiley.
You did. Are we all done?
Yep.
Yeah? What do you think? Here, come here. Look at the camera real quick. Is that fun?
Yeah, now look in the mirror to see it closer.
Okay, I'll go look at it. Alright, well, thanks guys for watching this fun little video.
Before can you show Daddy?
Don't know if I'm going to wear this out in public though, so we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Before can you show Daddy?